Oh, hay! Diyan na sa Silansky. Ipasulpot na sa niya. Dagway sa screen. Og! Daghang kay salamat sa nang grasya may lawa sa mga atong naangkong karong adlaw. Lain na sang adlaw nga atong naangkon ron magpasalamat sa labawong magagahom og sa iyang bugtong anak nga si Kristo. Og ayaw lang tutukig maayo ha. Kay mabatian niya mo. Ayaw lang pa naman. Og daghang kay salamat sa akong mga viewers. Labi na ni sa akong iyagaw in town nga nilike ni comment. Si Antonieta Lapinid. Shout out ni mo dehagaw ni Ala ni Limon og ni Pangi. Lito Aquino. Shout out niyo diha. Napanatas may panglawas karon. O nga kung tawa na maninglis ha. Sabot lang sad mo ha kay kanitinamban niya. Kasi ba pinadagan balikon ako ang importante ay ang mahalaga. Ha? Og akong kanta sa trabaho ni substandard. Hello the darkness my old friend, I come to talk with you again, because a vision so is creeping that is said while I was sleeping. And a vision that was planted in my brain is still remains. We did a sound of silence, and at least I think I walk alone, narrow street to stone, beneath the hollow of the street and lamp. I turn my color of the still and damp when my eyes were stabbed the place of neon light is split the night, and that's the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that their voices never share. No one on earth is the sound of silence. I do not know. Silent like a conscious grows. Hear my words that I meet with you. Take my arms that I meet with you. But the words like silent raindrop